This is Sherry Jerry and girl named Carrie. We will start with the characters. We have Sherry. Sherry is a happy-go-lucky type of guy who enjoys life and makes friends easily. Sherry is a cheerful guy who loves life and makes friends easily. He has a strong sense of justice and would never intentionally hurt anyone. He has a loving family and plenty of friends. He hasn't really thought much about girls until he meets the girl in this story. Then we have Jerry. Jerry is more brooding and mysterious. He doesn't open up easily and has a hard time trusting people because of his past. He might have been hurt by his parents or had some kind of trauma that made him this way. Despite his rough exterior, he has a good heart and would never intentionally hurt anyone. He also has a strong sense of justice like Sherry. Finally, we have the girl named Carrie. The Carrie is sweet, caring, and determined. She likes both boys for different reasons and can decide which one she likes more. She has big dreams for the future and works hard to achieve them. She is also very loyal and would never cheat on someone she loves. Now let's move on to the setting. The story takes place in a small town. The three characters attend the same school, but they don't know each other at first. They meet for the first time when Sherry saves the girl from some bullies. Jerry witnesses this and is impressed by Boy One's courage. At first, Carrie doesn't like Sherry because he is always playing around and doesn't take anything seriously. However, she starts to warm up to him when he shows her his collection of seashells, which reminds her of her late grandmother. She also admires his courage and determination when he stands up to the school bully. Meanwhile, Jerry is drawn to the girl's kindness and compassion. He often sees her helping out at the local animal shelter and is touched by her big heart. He also appreciates her intelligence and wit and enjoys talking to her about his favorite books. In movies, as the story progresses, Sherry and Jerry become friends because they both like the girl. They start hanging out together and do things they've never done before, like going to the movies or playing basketball. Carrie is happy that the two boys are getting along, but she still can't decide which one she likes more. One day, Sherry asks the girl out on a date. She says yes, and they have a great time together. He takes her to an amusement park where they ride roller coasters and eat cotton candy. She feels like she's finally found the boy she's been waiting for. However, Jerry is jealous and confronts Sherry. He accuses Boy One of only being interested in the girl for her looks and popularity. Sherry is hurt by this, but he defends his feelings for the girl. He says that he really likes her and wants to make her happy. Carrie is upset that the two boys are fighting over her and tries to talk them out of it, but they won't listen. She feels like she has been pulled into different directions and doesn't know which way to go. One day, the girl gets sick and Sherry takes care of her. He brings her soup and helps her feel better. She is grateful for his kindness and realizes that she really likes him. Meanwhile, Jerry is angry that the girl chose Sherry. He feels like he had a chance with her, but he blew it. He starts to act out and gets into fights at school. As the story reaches its climax, Carrie is torn between her feelings for Sherry and Jerry. She likes Sherry's kindness and sense of humor, but she's also attracted to Jerry's mysterious charm and brooding good looks. She doesn't know what to do, so she runs away from home when Sherry finds out. He goes looking for her and eventually tracks her down. He brings her back home and confesses his love for her. She is touched by his sincerity and they kiss. Meanwhile, Jerry is furious that the girl chose Sherry. He feels like he lost everything and lashes out at everyone around him. But eventually, he comes to terms with the fact that she has gone and moves on with his life. The moral of the story is that sometimes the person you think you ran in love with isn't right for you, and even if you don't end up together, it doesn't mean it wasn't meant to be.